Zakians, today I'll be showing you how to check your calendar, especially for Google Meet live session with your lecturers.
On your course homepage, on the right side, you will see the course calendar. Click on View Course Calendar. In this calendar, you can view which date and time your lecturer has set up a Google Meet live session. In the calendar, you may also see the due dates for your assignments, quizzes, and discussions. Let's view Quiz 1 on this date. So we can see that Quiz 1 due date is on the October 31st before midnight. So let's click on the Google Meet live session. So we can see for week 1, we have a Google Meet live session and there is also a message from your lecturer. So next, click on the Join Google Meet link. It will immediately bring you to the website. On the right hand side, please ensure that you are using your Unirazak Gmail student account. If you are using your personal Gmail account, click on the Switch Account link and then swap to your Unirazak student Gmail. Check your calendar regularly to see if your lecturers post any new date about any Google Meet live session.
If you have any concern, questions or issues regarding UROX, feel free to contact the UREC department through ATS. We are more than happy to assist you. Thank you.